It's absolutely crazy. I'm sick and tired of it, bro. I'm absolutely sick and tired of saying the same things, talking about the same things, warning that we're going to keep doing the same things. Today, I didn't see anything different than what we saw against West Ham. I didn't see a formation change. I didn't see him utilize the players any different. I didn't see the substitutions be inspiring in any type of way. And funny enough, against West Ham, did I not say play Calafiori as a winger, not as a defender? Because anything he did of any note that was even half decent was in the attacking third. Defensively, he was getting ripped apart.
Yep, he was getting cooked by Hudson-Odoi all game.
Absolutely ridiculous, bro. Absolutely ridiculous. Rashid, what are you saying, bro? What'd you make of this game, bro? Title's done, man. I still can't hear you.
You're muted, Habibi. You're muted.
Yeah, the only thing the only ever so slight positive is that we didn't lose the game. But the truth of the matter is, what does it really do for us? It does nothing. It does nothing. I thought we would lose this game tonight, but we didn't. But we lost against West Ham last weekend, so the damage is already done, isn't it, boys? So, really and truly, no one had a good game. Really and truly, no one had a good game. If Forest had proper end product, you know, in that final third, because they had more chances, they had the better chances, we would have lost that game. Let's be real. Let's be real. Hudson-Odoi was cooking Calafiori, but yeah, so what, innit? I could cook Calafiori. Do you know what I'm saying? I ain't in shape. I can't run as fast as I used to. I'm fucking 30, bro. Like, it is what it is. But, yeah, there's not really much that needs to be said tonight with this performance. Like, we know what this manager's like. You know, he's a B-Tech Moyes more than he's a B-Tech Pep, even though he's going from the B-Tech the Pep handbook. So he didn't set us up to win that game. He basically set us up not to lose. Forest just didn't take their chances, and Arteta got what he wanted. But we don't get what we want. We're not asking for much. I'm not asking for much. And now we're getting to the point where we're going to face PSV very soon, you know. And is anyone confident that we're going to get past them? I'm not. And if we do, we got Ala Madrid, bruv. Real Madrid, bruv. The elite team on the planet. Don Carlito settings. We are due an absolute total annihilation. We're due a spanking. Like real talk. Because the reason why a lot of these top gooners get mouthy every time, and you know this, Northside, everyone else as well here knows this, is because we haven't been panned, like seriously panned. Performance-wise we have, but not by scoreline. All it takes is a 5-6-7-0. We get past PSV. Let's just say, for argument's sake, we get past PSV. We face Real Madrid in the quarterfinals. Is anyone confident that we're going to concede less than 5 goals at the Bernabeu? Look at what they did to City. And City weren't that bad, but they were bad enough to obviously lose. Do you know what I'm saying? We will get destroyed. And where are the next wins going to come from in the league? I've been saying it's done. Now, this is clear enough evidence that it is done. It's apathy. I see the look on your face, Northside, and everyone else here. It's apathy. I don't see the point of getting mad. Like what do you expect, innit? It's complete apathy. And what's more, and I'll end it on this, right? Look at the players tonight. Other than Declan Rice and Gabriel, who both should be our captains, arguing, everyone else just doesn't give a shit. They're probably more apathetic than we are. You know, they've had enough of the manager, they've had enough of the process, they've had enough of this, had enough of that. So where do we really go from here? What, spend another 250 mil? So now Arteta's on £1 billion spend throughout his tenure, and then what?
It's crazy. Hold on, let me quickly
game that we had this season and compare it to this game. Nothing changed. Cross and hope. If it doesn't go in, we'll just try a set piece. If a set piece doesn't go in, we're not winning the game. We can't open a low. We can't open a low block and a mid block. Let's be real. We can't, bro. And you know what? This manager was talking about injuries and everything, bro. But sorry, as a manager in anything, if you manage anything in this world, you should expect the worst. It's just how it is. You expect the worst. So you'll be prepared if anything happens. You had the resources to be prepared in case Saka got injured, in case Odegaard got injured, in case Havertz. Yes, it's a tragedy, but you still need to be prepared somehow. Did you see the players we bring in? Well, did you see them? We've got Zinchenko, Sterling. Bro, you can't create with these kind of players, bro. And we've got a striker, yeah. He's from the academy, but bro, you gotta try him. You can't be telling me Moreno should stay 90 minutes today. You can't be telling me that. I'm not hearing it, bro. I want Calafiori as a number 9 now. I changed my mind because Moreno is not working, bro. He's not mobile, and I think you said it before, Natstar. And I swear, I thought about it, and it's true.
Yep.
Because Moreno cannot. I'm sorry. He's too slow. He's too slow to catch any ball. Yes, in the air, maybe he'll score. But sorry, we can't just keep crossing. You know what I'm saying? The whole game. And that's why we were bigging up the set piece coach. Well, I was. Because the set piece coach was the guy that got us through these games. That's why we have these points. It's because of that set piece coach. That's why. Because of him. But it dries out. Because it shouldn't be your only weapon.
Calafiori,
dry out. Everybody's clocking it. You think other managers are not watching us? They know. You can't just be crossing the ball every game. Every manager knows now how to set up against Arsenal. Watch the game against Leicester and West Ham and Arsenal and just tell me something different. Tell me something different about the games. Arnie Slot, when he played against City, what did he play? A low block. Counter. Today, he'll play a different kind of football. And tomorrow, he'll play a different kind of football.
As a nutrition,
Tiring. I can't lie, it's tiring. But yeah, man. What are we gonna do after this? Let's be real. We gave up on the Premier League, and I think Arteta was asked anyway. He knows that the fans are happy. He knows, even though they asked him about he knows that the fans are all right with being second, nearly next year. We just need 3 more players. Oh, the VAR, the ball. It's just excuses after excuses of excuses. When do we start winning, bro? That's what I want to talk about. Yeah, everything else, bro. Let's start talking about winning, bro. You get me? Like bunch of losers, bro. I swear to God, man. You can have money in your life, but you can still be a loser. You get me? It's not just about that. You can still be a loser. But listen, man. At the end of the day, didn't we expect this? We did, bro. We did. We've been everyone here. And the whole community, bro. You get what I'm trying to say? They've been calling this out. We've been calling this out. We've been seeing every game. It's copy, paste. Any manager can do that. And Arteta's there in the press conference trying to I don't like him, bro. I don't like his face. I really don't. I really don't like his face. He's got
a slappable face, Rashid.
What? Huh?
He's got a very slappable face.
Look, the thing is that I know it's football and it shouldn't be personal, but he's just the prick, you know what I'm saying? You know when you go to somewhere, like when you start working somewhere and then you're like, all right, that guy's cool, we could be all right. Oh, that guy's a prick, so I'll avoid him. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like that. It's just there's pricks everywhere in this world, and look, man, I'm off track. Point is, man, we expected this, and if this Arsenal wanted something, if this board were serious, they would have bought players to go for that Champions League because we knew the Premier League's gone. But they already showed us. But yeah, we dropped. By the way, guys, we dropped 19 merch this year in one season. 19, I think. Somebody just told me this earlier. 19. But yeah, I digress, bro.
We've got more merch.
Big up to my guy.
Also, what? The Arsenal game?
Everyone that's locked in. Liverpool, bro. You guys have won it, bro. You know what I mean?
No,
you
listen, let's just wait a bit. Let's just wait a bit.
There's no way. There's no way, bro.
Nah.
Yeah, no, you won the league. You won the league, bro.
You can't jinx it, bro. The only jinx is Arsenal itself. Arsenal itself is a jinx.
Trust me, yeah.
You can't jinx it, bro.
The only thing that stops us, that our biggest enemy is ourselves. So I'm glad that we won this game, and it was no slot. He got banned. So he's the second. So he's missing 2 games. Missed today, no problem. We dominated the game. No shots on target for Newcastle, which is impressive. That's the 3rd time this season that's happened. We've faced a team they couldn't get a shot on goal. The performance was complete, and it was like, despite the fact, that obviously Arsenal were playing first, it didn't feel like that was playing on the players' minds at all. They just played their game. Newcastle played a low block. We broke them down within like less than 15 minutes. They had to come out, and we just kept them at a distance. And that's it. Like, they created a couple of chances here and there, but Alisson didn't have to do nothing. He could have just relaxed. Could have taken a night off. We could have played our 3rd or 4th choice goalkeeper. Would have made no difference whatsoever. And man, it's the crazy 5-game run that we've had. We've collected 11 points, which is actually pretty impressive. I was unhappy after Villa and I was unhappy after Everton, but you can't win them all, man. But thankfully, you guys have dropped some points to help us along our way. So no complaints on my end, innit?